If equipped, the automatic temperature control system can automatically maintain the comfort levels set by the driver and passenger. The system automatically adjusts the temperature, distribution, and fan speed of your system for a comfortable and consistent temperature, even under changing conditions. Operation of the system is quite simple. Just press the auto control on the touchscreen, then select a temperature using the up and down arrows. The system will maintain that temperature automatically using the heating and air conditioning systems. If you'd like to sync up the passenger and driver side temperatures, press the sync control. For maximum efficiency, just let the system work automatically. To turn the auto system off, press the auto control again or adjust the fan speed or distribution controls. If you prefer, you can also operate the system using the buttons below the touchscreen. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.